Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, Miss Carlina. Anyway, hi to sis. Is this Sister Sheila? Sis
Yes.
Halidon.
Yes.
Hi.
Hi.
wait. I'm
Wait.
sending my invitation to some of our Bruneians international marketing partner, and
Okay.
I'm very happy to welcome Mr. Faik.
Okay.
Actually, he's a client for Gold Residences, so I will explain later about the Gold Residences. A few a few briefing for Gold Residences.
Okay.
And hi, I just okay. Welcome. And I'm waiting for, of course, welcome to my webinar, my IESD, International Associate Sales Director, Ms. Sherry May. Say
Okay.
hi.
Hi.
Okay, I will, wow, beautiful sister, Merry Christmas and
Merry
Happy
Christmas
New
too.
Year. Yes, I'm waiting for others. Just give me 5 minutes, then we
Okay.
will start.
Okay.
So that we will end early.
Yeah.
I will go to, after this, I will run.
Run to where?
I will walk and run. Here in Quezon City.
Okay.
In Quezon City. So, okay, so just wait for a while,
Yeah.
okay? Thank you. Be
Okay.
patient.
Okay.